Zhuji Feihu Textile Machinery Company Limited is a professional enterprise integrating research, development, and production of textile machinery. Founded in 2008, it is located in Taozhu Street, Zhuji City, Zhejiang Province, China, where it's only 1 kilometer away from Hangzhou Jinhua Quzhou Highway Exit, Zhejiang Jiangxi Railway Zhuji Station, and 50 kilometers from Shaoshan International Airport, Hangzhou. Covering about 13,000 square meters, our new factory is the base of the company's research department, development department, production department, and after-sales maintenance department. Products of our company mainly include high-speed hang-to-cone winding machine, cone-to-cone winding machine, yarn twisting machine, hang reeling machine, yarn expansion machine, yarn color sample card winding machine, and other textile machines. We also can supply almost all kinds of textile machines to help you do business. Because of our good quality, we won unanimous applause from the textile knitting and yarn enterprises. Our products are hot sold in Zhejiang, Shanghai, Jiangsu, Guangdong, Shandong, Fujian, Hebei, Hunan, as well as countries in Southeast Asia. There is a saying goes in China, by upholding the idea of honest cooperation leads win-win results, persisting in the principle of trustworthy, pragmatic, pioneering, innovative, and with the tenet of survive on quality, credit on service. We warmly welcome old and new cooperators. We hope to make joint efforts for cooperation so as to open up the domestic and foreign markets together.